Want your phone to tell you who's calling without even looking at it? Let's set different ringtones for separate and specific contacts on your Galaxy S26.
Bob.
First, make sure that contact is saved on your S26 phone storage. It might be linked to other location sources, but make sure it's linked to your phone storage. Open the Contacts app and then go to that specific contact. Either press on it or go to the I option, tap on More. Then go to Change Ringtone Vibration. Select Ringtone. Hit Allow. As you can see, the default ringtone is selected. You can scroll through this section and explore all the ringtones. Tap on any ringtone to preview it. If you like it, just go back to apply it. By the same way, you can select different ringtones for each separate contacts. If this helped, stay with Fix 369 for more quick tech tips.